Hello everyone. This is Piyush and I work for the MATLAB related technologies. I'm going to teach you the basic MATLAB. So before going to the course, let's understand why learning MATLAB is important. Do you know that over 1 million people around the world speak MATLAB? Engineers and scientists in every field, whether it is bioinformatics, aerospace, or semiconductors, financial services, and earth and ocean sciences. They use it to express their ideas. Let me ask you a question. Do you speak MATLAB? Okay, I understand maybe this introduction was not more enough. Let me quote you more examples regarding that. MATLAB is not only important as far as the research field or the academia is concerned, it's very popular in the industry. Let me quote few examples here. So, the first example is that GM, the General Motors, everyone know them. So, the GM makes car, and it is pretty possible that just in the process of making car, if there is a bug, the process gonna be very costly because you have already developed the car. Now if you have a software which will help you to prototype the car, isn't it gonna be helpful for you so that you can just prototype the car rather than making a real car and then experiment with the prototype and find it out what is best for you and then make a car. That's the power of model-based design, which is the Simulink. Simulink is the brother software of MATLAB. That's what you can say. Let me quote another example over here. Do you know that around 1 year back, almost in 2015, the first aircraft which revolved around the Earth, and that was the solar-powered aircraft, was actually prototyped by MATLAB and Simulink. Amazing, pretty amazing, right? Let me quote another example for you. Everyone knows when the NASA published the photos of the dwarf planet, that's a Pluto. Do you know that to get the photo and basically do the some image processing and enhance that image, MATLAB was used by the NASA scientist by the satellite. Pretty amazing stuff, isn't it? So the other example is now let's talk about the aircraft to develop the unprecedented F-35, that's the combat fighter aircraft from the US Defense. Engineers at the Lockheed Martin, who are the developer of that, created a common system model to simulate the avionics, propulsion, and other system, and to automatically generate final flight code. The result: reusable designs, rapid implementations, and global teamwork. Exactly. Isn't it amazing? MATLAB is just not used in the colleges for the image processing and signal processing. There's a lot more to do with that. You can do the data analytics. You can use that in the financial services to predict models, make models. You can use in the bioinformatics and the neurology, the neurosciences, and you can use in the semiconductors to generate the automatic HDL code. That's the Verilog and system Verilog code from your Simulink model, from your MATLAB model. You can connect hardwares like Arduino and Raspberry Pi to your MATLAB and Simulink and use it. We are going to do a project at the end of this course, which I call it as a capstone project. So that's going to involve the MATLAB learning and it's interfacing with the outside hardware and do some data analytics on it. Let's start.